Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'd like to share my views on which language you can choose to start your career as a software professional, either C# or Python. At the end of this video, you will get a fair idea on what will be the best for your career start. So let's not talk more, jump into the topic. This is Madan, welcome to Tech Coders Club. There are three major points that we need to take into the consideration while discussing about these topics: syntax, performance, and industry requirements. So C# is a structured language and required more coding, but Python is very simpler and easily understandable. So whoever wants to work on the less coding, they can choose the Python. Next point that we are going to discuss about the performance. C# is much faster than the Python, and it will be suitable for the large scale of applications like the enterprise applications and the gaming applications. On the other side, Python depends on the many libraries like the NumPy, Pandas, or Cborn, and it will compile the application while you execute the application. So it takes more memories and a little bit slower than the C#. Let's come into the last point, industries requirements. So C# and Python widely used in many industries, and if the people wants to work on the enterprise applications like the web applications or Windows applications, they can opt the C#. And if you are more interested in the data science or machine learning, there you can mainly utilize the Python language. Now you got some fair idea on which language will be suitable for you, either C# or Python. Now let's meet on another video. Thanks for watching.